I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating common blockers. Run the launcher as administrator, then verify game files so missing or corrupted packages are repaired. Once done, update your GPU drivers to the latest WHQL release and make sure any overclocking is disabled because unstable clocks cause crashes. Also check Windows Update for pending patches. These provide runtime fixes. These actions fix a large portion of crashes quickly and prepare the system for deeper fixes if the problem persists. Next, you perform deeper cleanups. Backup, then delete the user and RSI folders to force the game to recreate clean configs and cache files, which resolves corrupted settings. Make sure overlays are disabled because they inject DLLs that often crash Star Citizen. Adjust Windows Power Plan to high performance and confirm page file is enabled so the game has sufficient virtual memory. These steps address mid-level stability issues by removing bad configs and eliminating software conflicts that appear after the. To finish, perform a clean reinstall of both the launcher and the game if crashes continue. This ensures no leftover corrupted binaries remain. Then run the game once to recreate logs, collect the CIG and user crash logs, and attach them to a support ticket or community thread. If nothing helps, roll back your GPU driver to the last known stable version or enable debug logging as instructed by support. Tip: if a reinstall doesn't help, reproduce the crash and include the exact steps plus logs for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.